Arc welding utilizes an electric arc between an electrode and a metal base using either consumable or non-consumable electrodes. Arc welding robots are commonly found in steel product and automobile manufacturing. A welding robot uses a process that applies intense heat to metal at a joint, causing the metal to melt and intermix. Arc welding is the most common application for robots. Arc welding robots often use a MIG or TIG process to weld. Welding robots provide many benefits, including improved consistency in welds, improved cycle times, and increased efficiency. In addition, health hazards for workers are reduced because the robot, not a human, will be exposed to the sparks, fumes, and other hazards of arc welding. Robots not only help save workers but also help keep jobs in America by making manufacturing companies more competitive in a global market. RobotWorks specializes in new and used welding robots from the most popular manufacturers like Motoman, Fanuc, and Kuka. We've been helping companies maximize their return on investment for over 20 years by integrating many types of welding robots, from standalone arms to more complex welding cells. The most popular weld cells we sell are the RobotWorks customized cells, the RW1050 and RW900. These cells can be built to your specifications and have either a new or used robot, ideal for any budget. Designed with built-in safety features and operator stations, nothing else is needed. From Fanuc's ArcMate series to Motoman's MA series, we have the robotic solution that will best suit your needs.